beautiful mountains, an exquisite pool along the riverside, this is what it's like to stay in an authentic Thai-style luxury resort in Chiang Rai, Thailand.
We're Shevelle and Devan. In 2020, we hopped on a plane from South Africa to travel the world.
I can't even explain how I feel right now.
We fell in love with Thailand and have spent the last year and a half exploring and discovering this amazing country together.
It's happening to you too.
We are currently traveling to our 8th province, Chiang Rai.
Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Oh, come run away.
So please subscribe and follow along with where we go and what we get up to next.
We have just arrived to the Riverie by Katatani. This is probably, I think, the best rated hotel in Chiang Rai. I mean, as soon as we did all our Google research of like luxury hotels in Chiang Rai, this is always the first one that comes up.
Always.
So we're gonna check in now and we're gonna see what our room looks like. I'm so
I
excited!
can't wait. Let's go in.
So it even says on the sign, no smoking and no durian. That's actually like a thing. Like you cannot bring durian in your airport, in the lobby, in the elevator. It's strictly prohibited because it smells. We're on our way up to the 6th floor right now. We're gonna go and check out our room. Wow, it's so quiet. It's so quiet.
We're
You said turn right.
Turn right. 6309.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
Where are you from?
from South Africa.
Oh,
But we live in Chiang Mai.
yes. Yeah.
Wow.
You can see
Wow, here's the river and the
Oh
pool.
my gosh.
Yes.
And the Buddha.
Buddha, yes.
Oh, that's so cool.
Why is that so satisfying?
Wow.
This bathroom.
Okay, we have to give you a quick tour of our riverside suite at the Riverie Hotel. That's quite fitting, isn't it? I'm so happy that we've got this room because it's so big. And I gotta show you the closet first because you know what we're about to look for. Oh. Bloopers! Oh, you know I love it when the robes are branded. Okay, then we've got our normal stuff, safe, schluffies, hangers.
Where's the schluffi?
Well, they're a little bit.
Oh, those are perfect.
Yeah, they're quite nice, little schluffies. And over here we've got our incredibly modern bathroom that's covered in marble. I am such a fan of marble. We've got our shower with the giant rainfall shower head, a makeup station with a huge mirror. We've got our basin and all our amenities. We've even got a towel rack on wheels. I mean, that is so cool. And over here we've got the hugest bed I have ever seen. I mean, let me just show you for scale.
Oh, damn.
It's huge! I had to show you for
It
scale.
actually is a very big
No, it
bed,
actually
so
is really, really
It's good
big.
to have you for
I mean,
scale.
I'm going to sleep over here, and Devan's going to sleep over here.
No way. No.
No jokes. No jokes.
Tell them what it's really like.
Yeah, no. It's me over here.
That's me every night.
This is the Riverie's symbol. You're gonna see this everywhere throughout the hotel. And what it actually means is that the lotus pot and the flowers coming out of it represents prosperous growth, which is actually quite lovely. They always want to give their guests prosperous growth, good good wishes, warm welcome, something like that. We've actually got a little bit of like a seating area. Obviously we've got our bags on for now, but then over here we've got a little compartment where we can put our shoes.
So I'm very happy that I get to do the tea station. Obviously we love tea, and Chiang Rai is actually known for all the tea plantations. So there is some jasmine tea, oolong tea, black tea and green tea. We've got some water, a kettle, and there is a fridge. And then over here, but they gave us like this big sofa.
I think this is the biggest selling point for me about this hotel is we've got the most exquisite view of the mountain. We can see the incredible pool and we can even see the big Buddha.
There is a running track over there, around there, and then there is the big white Buddha.
What a view.
Happy?
Happy.
Lunch?
Lunch. So we just quickly stopped for a bite to eat at the restaurant. There are 3 restaurants here at the Riverie, and we're actually the only one sitting at the restaurant right now. Kind of sad to see that it's so quiet, but we're gonna have a quick bite to eat now for lunch, and then we're gonna go and check out the rest of the grounds. This place is huge. As far as we know, there are over 271 rooms, if I'm not mistaken. From first impressions of the place, it's so beautiful, tranquil and quiet. So we were about to go and check out the pool until we saw this. It just started to completely pour down with rain in the matter of minutes. For now, we're gonna just have a little cup of tea in the room and we're in our little robes and we're gonna wait for the rain to stop, and if it doesn't, then we're gonna head straight to dinner. We are now sitting in the lobby having a lovely coffee and a cake. It's the perfect weather to have a lovely coffee.
That's
We're having
perfect.
little cafe lattes, and we've got these beautifully warm chocolate chip cookie muffins, chocolate chip muffins. Oh, they look so good. So we're just gonna sit and enjoy our coffee because it's still raining outside. But I think after this, we're gonna go and have a lovely, authentic dinner.
Our dinner included 3 delicious dishes. The first was stir-fried sweet and sour chicken, along with baked seafood in a clay pot. And last but not least, Thai-style salmon with chili, lemon and garlic. The food was absolutely delicious.
Good morning from the beautiful Riverie Hotel. And I think the most important thing when you go to these hotels is obviously the breakfast. So let's go see what kind of breakfast we're about to get. I think I'm still sleeping, so I need a coffee.
I'm sleeping as well. A coffee and a cup of tea, definitely.
Yes, let's go down now and head to breakfast. So we've just received our breakfast and we both ordered fresh fruit. We ordered some eggs benedict with some beans on the side and a fresh croissant. We also ordered some tea. We love orange juice, so we had some orange juice. So we're really gonna enjoy this. The spread looks absolutely amazing. You can order some traditional Thai food if you like to have some Thai food for breakfast, or you can order a traditional American breakfast, and everything is a la carte, which is actually quite nice given the situation. You're not like sticking your hands in the buffet. So I really like that. You can order as much as you want, or you can order whatever you want, and that's really lovely.
So we're just gonna make our way down to the pool now, I think, and just see a little bit of the grounds. They actually have like a kids play area here, which is great.
Why is it great? Are you gonna use it?
Yeah, well, there were a few toys that I wouldn't mind playing with.
And there's also like a kiddie pool. So Devin is very, very excited about the slide.
Yeah, there's actually an organic garden. It's beautiful. They have like a little maze, and I know that they...
Like a giant mushroom.
Oh yeah. Yeah, let's see. So they have this giant mushroom over there. I'm not actually sure what's inside there.
Beautiful.
So what's in the mushroom?
You have to go find out.
I have to go find out. Absolutely nothing.
I thought it was gonna be like, I don't know, something mystical, magical. But this is lovely. I love that they've got an organic garden right next to the pool. It's so nice. So I have a question, like a serious question. Please let me know if anybody else's boyfriend or husband goes to a fabulous 5-star luxury resort and does this. Please let me know if I'm the only one. Is it just me? Is this a thing? Do you all do this? It is so nice to just relax and have a peaceful afternoon in the pool, especially when the weather is nice. This is exactly what I feel like doing.
This is exactly what we needed. This is great. And I think we spent maybe an hour or two now in the water, and I think it's almost getting time for lunch. Then we'll head to the Chinese restaurant because they have a special lunch for us.
Today, they actually recommended that we come for the fabulous, authentic Cantonese cuisine. What we found at these lovely resorts is that not only do you have like the resort experience, but you also have the food experience. And that is something we highly recommend. You've got me hungry speaking about it.
I'm so hungry. Let's go eat.
The restaurant is so lovely. It's authentic Cantonese cuisine, and we have just actually placed our order, so we're gonna go and eat now. But I decided to come and vlog here because on the inside I really didn't want to disturb everybody else who was having their lunch. We've ordered some chrysanthemum tea with our dim sum, and we've got mince and pork and chicken and prawn, everything that you can think of. We've ordered what the chef actually recommended for us, and you're probably wondering why we're eating Chinese food at the Thai hotel, and that's actually because in the north of Thailand, especially in Chiang Rai, there's a huge Chinese influence. So this is the perfect place to go and have some dim sum, authentic Cantonese dim sum.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah.
This up for us.
This is just for us.
This is so, oh, this is so amazing. Look at the view. Wow. Oh my God. This is insane. I think this is one of like the best highlights for me is this incredible view. I don't even have the words.
Right now, this restaurant on top of the roof is actually closed, which is a bit sad, of course, but they are opening it up maybe in 3 or 4 months in the last quarter of the year, and we are just so lucky that we get to come up here and have a
I think
drink.
they just opened it just for us,
Just
just for
for
a little
us.
while. I think
That
that's
is so
really
sweet.
Oh,
It's just,
unreal.
it's
I'm
breathtaking
like
actually.
lost for words. It's by far the biggest resort we've ever been to.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and it's very affordable right now. I think right now the price is around 3,000 to 4,000 baht for the Riverview room that we got. And I think with breakfast included and the pool and everything like that, it's so worth it right now.
This is such a highlight. I don't even have the words. I'm just absolutely blown away by this. What is that?
I think this is mine. I don't even know what's in
Whoa,
it.
that is crazy.
It just smells like that blue Morocco stuff and lime. And I think
what is that?
yours... Oh, it's like peach and mango. Oh, it's absolutely divine. I like mine.
That
This
is so fancy.
It's like a frosty glass.
Think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah. You never lose an argument. So I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great.
We're sitting by ourselves on the rooftop having the most delicious cocktails and enjoying the sunset. It has been so lovely staying here at the Riverie. We have really been spoiled and treated like kings and queens, really.
There is no photo or video that we can show you that will do this place justice.
Cheers. This is the perfect way to end off our lovely stay here at the Riverie. We have had such a lovely time. The facilities, the room, everything was absolutely spectacular. If you do come to Chiang Rai, please come and stay here. We highly recommend it.
This is just a perfect time for us to end off this video. So thank you so much for watching. Please give it a like if you enjoyed it, and please send us a comment below about what you thought of this resort.
Yes.
Please go and see our Chiang Rai playlist. We will make sure the link to that playlist is in the description below, so you can see all of the videos that we made while we were in Chiang Rai. And please remember to subscribe, and after you have, just hit the bell so you get notified on all our future videos that are coming out, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye.